Hey guys, an update on COREWEAVE. Strong compared to ORCL, really strong actually. Ever since the war started, it's been very strong. So keep it up, I guess. I'm gonna zoom into this price action here in a bit. But before I do that, just want to remind you that look, we're trying to form a low here. But there is still the risk that we're gonna take the lows, okay? Because we don't have a 5-wave move up yet. Yep, we have one here, but because you can also label it as a 3-wave move, and because this has gone pretty deep here, not hit the 886, so that's good, but it's pretty deep. We have here locally an 886, but I'm gonna dismiss that one now because we have a 5-wave move up from this low. With overlap, yes, but it's then as a diagonal pattern. I'm gonna dismiss this one, but still the risk is there, okay, to take the low, and I'm saying that because we don't have a nice reaction from the low. Let me show you ARM, for example. This is what you want, okay? Like no 886 hit, very clear, and then a correction into the golden ratio at max, and then a reaction from there. Losing the golden ratio is already always like a sign of local weakness. So that's why the difference is here, like we have a wave 1, then a wave 2 that goes very deep, okay? And then here locally a 1, 2 with the wave 2 going to the 886, then a 3, a 4, a 5, but there's overlap, so it's gonna have to be a diagonal, which is not always the nicest thing. And if we now label this as a 5-wave move up, this is gonna be a wave 1, a wave 2. It would have been nicer if this is a wave 1, a wave 2, that our secondary wave 1 goes beyond the first wave 1. We don't have that, okay? Excuse me. So that's why I'm always repeating the risk is still here to take the lows, okay? But if I zoom in locally, we can add fips, and as long as the structure is not breaking, we can focus on this bullish scenario, but keep it in the back of the mind that it might break down and take the lows first before starting another attempt from lower, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inside this 5th wave, I'm looking for a 5-wave move. Because this looks a little bit like a 1, 2, 3. Now this is consolidating. Maybe this is even like a 1, 2, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe we get like a little bit more price action to the upside, okay? So yeah, for now, let's focus on these FIPS. We are respecting the 0.236 taken from this low to this high. And I'm being conservative here. I could also take the FIPS like this or like this or like this. But I want to be just conservative, assuming that this is a wave 1, wave 2, this is your 3rd, 4, 5. Also very overlappy here, okay? To me, tomorrow we're probably gonna attack this high, probably take it, and then with that we would have a 5-wave move in here. Could then be a 5-wave move complete, and then I'm gonna add a support box for a potential 1, 2 setup here. The support box will be from the low here to wherever we top, and then we'll take it from there, okay? But for now, I'm gonna wait with it. Let's see how price action reacts tomorrow, and if I have a confirmed top, I'll add the support box, okay? For now, if we go down 85, if we lose that one, 84, and below that one, we have the 618 at 83.35. And I'm just gonna, because it's a bit of a messy chart, I'm gonna add the volume profile of this range because it's a pretty significant range. We have done a point of control here at this level. And I'm gonna remove this one because we have back tested it, we have gone above it, and this is in the past, okay? Price went already down and back up. So now we focus on this one here at 82.01, and then also we have this trend line. Another thing I could say is maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I was a bit quiet earlier. I was thinking about this. Maybe this is a wave 1, 2, now a third wave, then a 4, then a 5. Inside then a larger wave 1. I will change my view into this if we now keep going, okay? Then indeed this could be a 1, 2 and another 1, 2, like I said earlier, with the secondary wave 1 going beyond the first wave 1, okay? But that's for later when we have more data. I hope you can follow me, because it's a messy chart and I am talking about multiple scenarios, but yeah, for now it's doing good, okay? And I'll keep you updated. Let's quickly also look at ORCL. Yeah, at the 786 now, taken from this low to this high. 1, 2, 1, 2, still valid, still possible, but as you can see here as well, we have an 86 hit, which I don't like for wave 2. And then, the structure in here is very disgusting. Can easily be an ABC because we also found resistance at the 1 to 1 here from this A wave to the B wave. So this might take the low. Okay, for me, if I have to give probabilities, I'm leaning more towards taking the low first and then trying again instead of this double 1-2 scenario. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.